Alright kids, Ham and Cheese back here with you again today. And up on the bench today, we're going to take a look at this Schneider solder from Harbor Freight. And the reason why we're taking a look at it today, plain and simple, right now there's a lot of question in the community of soldering, electronics work, kit builders, so on and so forth, as to whether or not this is a rosin core solder. And we're going to try to debunk that and see what it's all about today, okay? So the short of it is it is a 6337 leaded solder, got an approximate melt temperature of 361 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to test that here in a moment. And we know that it is made in China. Okay? That's it. Right there. Made in China. That's all we know about this stuff. Alright. Now we know in soldering that a good solder with a flux core or a rosin core will produce a lot of smoke whenever it fires off. And it should work pretty well. Okay? So first let's test it and see if it's actually going to melt at 360. So we have our tip right here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and try it. And it does melt. It's doing okay. It's actually doing pretty good. And it's got a little bit of smoke to it. Alright. Let's test it out on a board here. We'll bring you in just a little bit closer. How about there? That'll work. By the way, if you've not seen this PCB holder yet, this is the Pros Kit SN390. We just got this here on the bench. And if you want one, link will be in the description for where you can get it from our affiliate link in Amazon. Remember, we get a cut of that. Alright, let's try this area right in here and see if we can melt some solder here without any type of flux. Okay, so it is melting very slowly, but it's not really doing a whole lot. And there you can see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of flux to it and then see what happens. Oh, wrong brush. That's for alcohol. We don't want that right now. That'd be bad. Okay. Alright. So there you go. We've got some paste on there now. Let's see what happens to it now that we've pasted it up. Okay. And oh yeah, much more smoke that time. Okay. Now let's roll into it and see what happens. Oh yeah, big difference. Big difference this time around. And we're about out of that now, so let's go over here and see. Yeah, it changes. There you can see the difference in change now. Okay. Alright, so there it is. In short, the Schneider electrical solder. Would you use this for intricate work? Probably not so much. If you're going to use this to fix wiring though on a car, or you need something quick and dirty in the field where you're going to flow some of this into a connection to get going again until you can make a proper change out or something, sure, why not? Especially since normal price, this stuff's 19 bucks right now. There's a super coupon on it for 15. And if you compare it to something like this right here, that roll by itself's almost 15 bucks now for that little 2-ounce roll. Okay, so you're getting 4 times that amount for the same price. And for quick and dirty jobs, yeah, I'd use it. And I'd buy it again for that reason as well. But look how much of it you get on there. It's going to be a long time until I need to buy more. Alright, so there it is. Schneider 6337 non-rosin core solder. We've proven that just now. Alright kids, thanks for watching. 7-3. And remember, keep it cheap and easy, just like me.